Ever wonder how animals survive in extreme places? The answer is adaptation. Over generations, living things develop features or behaviors that help them thrive in their habitats. These changes are passed down, improving survival with each new generation. Adaptation is like having the perfect gear for your environment. Think of a bird's beak for cracking seeds, or a squirrel burying nuts for winter. Every living thing, from insects to trees, is shaped by adaptation to find food, avoid predators, and raise young. A giraffe's long neck reaches high leaves. A stick insect's body camouflages as a twig. Nature is full of ingenious solutions to survival challenges. Adaptation is the secret code of life, allowing species to conquer every corner of the planet. By understanding adaptation, we appreciate the brilliance of the natural world. It's a never-ending dance between life and environment. Let's visit the desert where survival is tough. Camels have wide feet for sand, nostrils that close, and fat-storing humps for energy. Cacti have spines instead of leaves to save water and protect from animals, plus waxy skin and shallow roots to grab every drop of rain. Now to the Arctic, polar bears have blubber for warmth, thick fur, and large paws for walking on snow. Their white fur camouflages them in snow, helping them sneak up on prey. Even their black skin absorbs heat from the sun. Every feature, from small ears to powerful noses, helps them survive the cold. Whether in burning deserts or icy worlds, adaptation is the key to life. These animals and plants are perfectly equipped for their extreme homes. Nature's toolkit is always at work. Adaptation means survival, no matter the climate. That's the power of evolution in action. Camouflage is a fascinating adaptation, blending in to survive. Chameleons change color to hide from predators and sneak up on prey. Moths mimic tree bark, and harmless hoverflies look like stinging wasps to avoid danger. Some animals use tools. Sea otters crack shells with rocks. Crows use sticks to get insects. Adaptation isn't just about looks, it's about smart behaviors too. Symbiosis is another trick. Clownfish live safely among sea anemone tentacles, immune to their sting while helping the anemone in return. These partnerships and clever disguises are all about survival. Nature's creativity is endless. Every adaptation gives an edge in the struggle to survive. That's the genius of evolution. Some adaptations seem like superpowers. The wood frog freezes solid in winter, then thaws and hops away in spring, thanks to natural antifreeze in its blood. Electric eels generate powerful shocks to hunt and defend themselves. Archerfish shoot jets of water to knock insects into the water for food, adjusting for light refraction. Tardigrades, or water bears, survive boiling, freezing, radiation, even outer space, by entering a suspended state. These abilities show just how far adaptation can go. Nature's solutions are often stranger than fiction. From freezing frogs to electric fish, life finds a way. Adaptation creates real-life superheroes. The natural world is full of surprises. Adaptation is the engine of life, allowing species to survive everywhere. It's how fish breathe underwater, birds fly, and plants thrive in deserts. As environments change, species must adapt or risk extinction, survival of the fittest in action. Adaptation drives biodiversity and even creates new species over time. Understanding adaptation helps us protect delicate ecosystems. When habitats change, so must the species, or they disappear. Nature's designs inspire human inventions like airplane wings modeled after birds. Next time you're outside, look for adaptations all around you. Every creature is a product of millions of years of natural genius. Explore, observe, and marvel at the secrets of survival.